This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix unable to send message or message blocking is active error on iPhone. So the first solution is go to your settings and search for message, then tap on it. Make sure to enable iMessage and send and receive. Select your Apple ID or phone number and then make sure to enable send as SMS option here and then check the issue. And the second solution is check your block list. Open your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on phone and tap on blocked contacts. If you accidentally blocked the specific number, make sure to unblock it. And then hope you will be able to send message to the number. And the last and final solution is restart your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.